Alright guys, so in today's video we are going to be mounting up the Miata's new wheels onto some really grippy tires that I'll show you guys once they are mounted and put on the car. We're going to test fit the wheels, adjust the car so that we can run the wheels, and yeah, so let's get right into it. We got a lot of waiting to do. Probably not going to show you guys much of it because it's going to be really boring, but anyway, let's get those wheels mounted and brought back home to the Miata. Alright guys, while my tires are getting mounted, I'm just kind of walking around trying to get over here to Mazda. You know it's good. But yeah, this sidewalk looks like it's never been used ever. Anyway, yep, it's like right off the highway. Can't really walk down there, but anyway, we will get there. Pictures of it, pretty nice. A lot of wind. Alright guys, now that we're home, I guess I could show you the wheels and the tires that are on there, so here we go. Ooh, dang, they're so meaty. Alright, so these are Toyo Proxys R1Rs. As you can see, the tread is pretty ridiculous. This is what they look like. 45 sidewall. It's a little big, but it looks so good. Anyway, let's get this over to the car. I don't know if we'll mount it tonight, but we'll get over there and see how it looks. Anyway, let's get these all unloaded and next to the Miata. Oh, hold God. That's gonna rub so hard. Dude, that's some fitment right there, dude. What? That sure looks so good. Damn. Dude, those are massive tires. Let's see if we can turn them down. Yeah, go for it. I mean, look, it's not even touching. It's just really close. It's really close. Oh, we're chilling. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. All the way. Oh, hold it. All the way?
12 seconds later.
Alright guys, so we can throw the wheels on now. We just got the center caps for the wheels for these. So now we can throw it on, or the center caps on the wheels, and put the wheels on the car. So clean. Dang, look at that. Pretty icy. Pretty much eliminate. That's nice. It's so good. Dude, I gotta give you guys a perfect showing of this. So let's hop in the car, go test drive these, and then give you guys a quick edit of how they look. Alright guys, so we're kind of on a bumpy road and I didn't adjust the height of the car, and we got a little bit of rub. I don't know if you can really hear it. Oh, it's on the rear passenger side. That's the only thing that's rubbing. You can hear it, right? Yeah? Oh, there it is. Yeah, you can definitely hear that, but I gotta get pictures for you guys. Oh, this hurts. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that little edit. It's nothing too crazy because the car's not 100% done, but with the new wheels on, we're going to clean these ones up and put them on the market for sale. Alright guys, so I just lifted this up about 2 turns or 2 splines on this. It should be enough because it was rubbing on top of the quarter panel right here and this fender liner that I took off. So throwing the wheels back on this side, we should be okay. And now it's just time for the passenger side to do the same thing, and then to the front. It's not too bad, pretty easy, pretty quick. So let's get right into it. Yep, we should be alright. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed today's video. It's pretty productive, a lot happened. We had to adjust the coilovers on the car for a little bit. And yeah, so I will be shooting a different type of video in the upcoming days, maybe this weekend, once the wrap is done. We've just been grinding on this car for so long. I just want to take a break of it for, I don't know, a couple days, but videos won't be delayed. But I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope you like the wheels, and I hope you're excited for the car to be 100% done. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss any of the new stuff. And the Miata's V2 color finished up. So anyway, I'll catch you guys when it's all done and an edit for you guys. So anyway, till the next one, goodbye.